If you have an adopted son,
right?
and God later bless you with a biological son,
Yes.
who will now be your first son?
The adopted son will be my first son.
But how can you do that, sir?
Because I adopted him first before the biological son comes up. So the adopted son is the first son.
So we are saying that what you have as traditional inheritance will go to the adopted son.
Well, it all depends.
Okay?
Yes, it all
okay.
depends.
Okay.
It all depends.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
If you have an adopted son and later have a biological son, who do you think you will call your first son?
The adopted, of course.
Why do you think so?
Because I won't let my son know that the other one was adopted.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Yeah.